Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's this USDC update, the stable coin, And right now we are making some little bit of a negative kind of pattern over there, and it seems like we've already been too much stretched. Yes, we have been overextended, and right now all you're putting in might be a big correction down here to this level, which can actually be 0.021 something. But the thing is that I'm going to turn on the EMA, and the 10 EMA might be acting as a big level of support moving forward. So but to me, guys, on the daily time frame, I do think there could be a retracement pending to come down to this level, because this is a line that you really never back tested. So maybe come down here, back test this level, bounce off this place, and then start another new wave to the upside as well. So you gotta be really super careful. What I'm gonna do is dive into the 1 hour time frame so that we can get a little bit of the candlesticks and the clues as what is about to happen. So here we are, and you've already lost some support, level of support right there. So I'm gonna draw the line here. So that support has been lost, and you're looking for maybe a retracement from there to there, from wherever you're breaking out. So you're looking for USDC to actually come down here to this level, which is going to be 46564 something. And actually, let me just mark off this level as a big support moving forward on the 1 hour time frame. So if you do come down to lose this level, which is going to be nearly 443, then you're looking for deeper retracement, and lose this level. This can actually then take you all the way down to this place, but it does make sense to come down to that place actually before moving higher, because it's a place that was never retested. So congratulations to the people who actually took the trade. If you're looking for entries, I wouldn't recommend entries right now. The weekend is approaching. Bitcoin is actually looking ugly. Just look at the Bitcoin update, because I think Bitcoin is about to go to $9,000, and you can watch the detailed analysis on Bitcoin on the channel. And follow this channel just for all these updates if you want to. Absolutely free, absolutely doesn't cost you anything. But filled with absolutely valuable information. So if you actually do go back up here, break this line resistance, and go up, break the highest part, then that's where you're going to look to continue to the upside. If that's something like that happens, then congratulations, you're actually going to move higher. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.